Baddies, hey baddies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're doing this Halloween look up here. I've been wanting to try this look. I don't really celebrate Halloween as a Christian girl, but just from a creative space from the movie I really have been wanting to create this look. So it starts off with like, I need to first measure like my face. So to create that guy's, thing, okay, let me go mark off my face and then I'll show you guys how much I've marked off. So I've carved up a bit of this and now I'm trying to finish up the clown effect. Okay, I feel like this is, it's giving. Okay, let me continue, and then now I'm gonna use these lip shades just to create that. Washing this off is gonna be a nightmare. Just to create the blood stuff, I'll be back. So I've managed to at least get the effect. So I'm done with like the base of the look. I think it's eating so far, but like I don't know how to create the blood, because like maybe I should do like maybe I should physically draw the blood. I don't know.